Dr. Rhodes?
Miss Hayes, hi.
I'm also going to the reunion. Leander is giving me a ride.
Miss Hayes? You know, the back seat might be more spacious and more comfortable for you.
Kara.
You learned to massage from someone?
Mm-hmm. Learned from an old man as a young kid. How is it? Better?
Much better.
So, whenever you feel your back hurts, just tell me, okay? I'll massage you.
Okay.
Get some sleep.
We had an arranged marriage, but I never thought we would keep such a respectful distance. However, I am still happy. Leander, it's your birthday next weekend. I got you a present.
What is it?
It's a secret.
Thank you.
What's wrong?
Something's up. I need to go out.
Is it about the company?
Mm-hmm. I gotta go.
Oh, then please take care and be safe. Hello?
Dr. Rhodes, please come to work. A pregnant woman is in grave danger.
Patient's condition.
Car accident. Heard it was a tragic scene. She's 4 months pregnant and bleeding a lot. She's in a coma now, showing signs of shock.
Contacted the family?
Yes, doctor.
Notify the family to sign the consent. She needs surgery. Cut.
Hey, are you
I'm
okay?
fine. Help me sit down.
Here. Good thing you came back. Her condition was so critical. Besides you, our OB expert, who else would have dared to save her? But then, you're in your early pregnancy. Working like this must be tough.
How did you know I was pregnant?
I snuck a peek at the report on your desk. Hey, your husband must be thrilled. You've been married for so long, but I've never heard you talk about him. It's kind of baffling. Tell me, is he a total hunk?
Well, he doesn't know yet. It's his birthday next week. I plan to...
Well, that must be the patient's husband, worried about his wife and baby. Wait here, I'll talk to him.
No, let me. I'm the head surgeon. Hospital policy states I should be the one to inform the family about her condition.
Doctor, how is my...
Leander?
Kara? Kara?
They're both doing great.
You two know each other?
You're her... husband?
Yes, he was the one who signed the consent for surgery.
Kara, can we please talk about this matter in private?
The surgery went well. Don't worry.
Okay. Thank you, Kara.
It's nothing. Regardless of whose wife she is, as a doctor, I would do my best to save her. You're her. Husband?
Yes, he was the one who signed the consent for surgery.
Kara, it's me.
Come in. Have you checked on her?
She's asleep.
The
baby isn't mine. She was in a car accident. It was an emergency. That's why I brought her here. They said that she needed surgery, but the consent form needs a family member's signature. That is why...
I had my assistant look for her family to sign it.
It was crowded outside the operation room. It wasn't a good time to explain. And if other people found out that I wasn't her husband...
I understand. Is the company issue resolved now? Is it about the company?
Kara,
What is it?
Nothing. Are you all done? I'll wait for you outside. Let's go home together.
I'll pack up my things. You can go start the car.
Okay.
Since when do you smoke?
Uh,
Why, did something happen?
project stuff. Get in.
Was it serious?
It wasn't.
Are you really okay?
I'm fine.
Are you sure you're okay?
I said I'm fine, Kara. Kara, I'm sorry. I've had too much on my mind. I'm a bit on edge. I didn't mean to snap at you.
It's all right. Just focus on driving.
Kara,
What now?
that woman from the OR earlier? She'll be fine at the hospital, all alone, right?
Are you worried about her?
No, I'm not. Just a random thought.
The nurses are very professional, so don't worry. And the hospital will contact her family.
And what if her family doesn't come?
How do you know they can't come?
Get some rest. I have some company stuff to deal with tonight. Gotta go.
Kara, are you okay?
Chloe, what are you doing here?
Isn't that guy the one who saved the pregnant woman earlier? What's he doing here? Where's your husband?
He is my husband.
Leander, you're here.
Yeah. Since when did you start liking sour food? I remember you never liked that kind of stuff.
It's not me, Leander. My baby's craving it. Leander, he has your sense of taste.
Kara, I think I just saw your husband and that pregnant woman go to your place together.
How is it?
Delicious.
It's good, isn't it?
I haven't had your pastries in years, Auntie.
I'm glad you liked it. Eat more, okay?
Hi, Mom.
Oh, Kara, you're back.
This is...
Oh, let me introduce you. This is Kara, Mr. Hayes' daughter who lives next door. She used to live abroad with her husband, but moved back after the divorce. My dear, this is Kara, Leander's wife. I told you about her.
Hello, I'm Kara Hayes.
You're what?
I'm Kara with a K. I only knew you as Dr. Rhodes. I didn't realize our names sound exactly the same. Mine is Kara with a K, and yours is with a C.
What a coincidence, right? When Leander told me, I was surprised too. Wasn't I, son? Maybe Leander is just fated with women named Kara, whether with a C or K. One was his best friend from way back since childhood, and the other one is his wife. Isn't it funny?
Auntie,
Yes.
you might not know yet, but my lead surgeon after the accident was Dr. Rhodes.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, such a coincidence.
I haven't thanked Dr. Rhodes properly. If it weren't for you, Doctor, I think my baby and I wouldn't be sitting here safely. Thank you.
No need to thank me, Miss Hayes. As a doctor, saving lives is my duty. It was an emergency. You should be more careful next time.
I will, Dr. Rhodes.
You know what, Kara? You and Leander, you two have been inseparable since you were little kids. I thought you two were dating.
Stop it, Auntie.
Turns out you like Leander's body and had Leander pass notes for you every day.
During those days, I passed a lot of messages.
Did it work out? I mean, with him?
Yes, it did. But we broke up soon after. It was just puppy love after all. Few make it to the finish line.
That's true. But Kara is going to have her baby in a few months. Shouldn't you try too, so that I can finally have a grandchild while I can enjoy them?
Mhm.
Huh?
Dr. Rhodes, I heard from Mrs. Rhodes that you and Leander have been married 3 years with no kids.
We didn't used to want one.
Dr. Rhodes, don't mind my bluntness. I'm a lawyer, and I've handled many divorce cases. Most of those cases are due to female infertility, causing marital problems. You're an OB expert, right? Having kids shouldn't be a problem to you.
Thanks for your concern. Leander and I are both healthy.
We don't plan on having kids yet.
What? But why is that, Leander? You said you love kids, didn't you? I remember playing house when we were kids. You always wanted me to be your wife back then, and said you wanted to have a bunch of kids with me.
What else could it be? They're always busy, I guess. Too much work. No time for kids.
Mom.
Okay, I'll stop. Kara, now that you're back, you must spend more time with me. Best if you also have the baby here. I will take care of it.
Mom, that's not appropriate.
What not appropriate? You two don't want kids, so I can't even hold someone else's baby? Kara, you're a considerate lady. You wouldn't object to it, right?
Mom, as long as you're happy.
Tired?
No. Happy birthday, Leander.
Thank you, Kara. Don't mind what Mom said earlier today. With Kara to keep her company, she won't rush us anymore.
What is your relationship with Miss Hayes?
I forgot to tell you at the hospital. Kara flew back from abroad, just for my birthday. Unexpectedly, she had an accident, so...
That's not the answer I'm looking for.
Kara and I are the very best of friends.
She's 4 months pregnant, yet she flew back for your birthday. That's quite some friendship.
Kara, didn't you say you had a gift for me? It's almost past midnight now. Where's my gift? Forget it. Dr. Rhodes is a busy woman after all. Gracing me with your presence for dinner is already the best birthday gift I could ever hope for.
Leander, let's move out of this apartment soon.
But why? We're both doing fine here. Why should we move out?
Don't we have an apartment downtown? It's closer to the hospital, and I've been working late often. It's more convenient.
Kara, didn't we talk about this when we got married? Mom doesn't really like the downtown life. And if we leave her alone here, then what if something happens to her?
Well, isn't Miss Hayes with her now? Besides, we can hire a caregiver and visit on weekends.
Mom and I don't like strangers around. That's why we don't have one. Why are you forcing this?
But
Enough, Kara. Stop being difficult, okay? Learn from Kara. She's so uncomplicated. So she gets along well with Mom, right?
Right. In yours and your mom's eyes, Miss Hayes is perfect. In that case, why didn't you choose to marry her then?
I'm sorry, Leander. But I'm engaged. I'm flying abroad for good tomorrow.
Kara, please don't go. You're being ridiculous right now.
Leander, what's wrong? Did you argue with Dr. Rhodes?
Can we meet up?
So you mean that pregnant woman Leander brought home? Her name sounds like yours? Wait, Kara. This is too much information. My brain's about to explode. What's going on? Hey now, Kara. Stop drinking so much. You've had a whole bottle.
Come on, what do you want me to say?
Could it be that Leander married you only because his old flame married someone else? He couldn't have her, so he used you as a substitute. Oh no. Could that woman's baby possibly be his?
No, it's not. I saw her prenatal report. She got pregnant 4 months ago. Leander's mom was sick then. He was with her at the hospital every single day. So definitely not.
No wonder they say time heals all things, but not when an old flame returns. Leander is determined to be a stepdad to someone else's kid. Kara, I'm sorry. I often speak my mind. Don't take it to heart.
It's fine. Since everything happened, I'm not fragile anymore.
What's your plan then? What are you going to do?
Let's just see. If they still have feelings, I'll step aside and let them be.
Whatever you decide, I will always support you. Besides, maybe we're overthinking. Maybe they're really just friends.
Yes, let's hope so.
Hey, Dr. Rhodes, it's your husband again. He loves you so much, been calling all morning.
Is that him calling now? Don't answer. You were crying so much at my place all night, and he didn't even try to call you once. Now that it's morning, he remembers you?
I didn't cry, Chloe.
Kara, you have too little dating experience. That's why the bastard controls you. Listen to me. Just ignore him, and he'll remember how good you are. It's called playing hard to get.
Okay, we'll just wait for his apology.
Kara, I've got cute guys lined up tonight. I'll take you.
Dr. Rhodes, heading home?
You're on the night shift?
Yeah.
Looks like my trick worked. That bastard learned to give in. See you around. Good night.
What are you doing here?
I've been calling you all day. Why didn't you answer?
I had a lot of surgeries the whole day. I didn't notice my phone died.
What about last night? Where were you?
I had an emergency at the hospital, so I slept in the on-call room.
Ah. Kara, I moved our things from Mom's to the downtown apartment. I think you're right. Living at Mom's place isn't convenient. I was too selfish before. I apologize.
Okay, I accept your apology.
There's a class reunion today. Let's go together.
Dr. Rhodes?
Miss Hayes, hi.
I'm also going to the reunion. Leander is giving me a ride.
Miss Hayes? You know, the back seat might be more spacious and more comfortable for you.